virus determine the sex of your baby. Eating more fruits and vegetables, taking a bath prior to sex and avoiding orgasm are some of the myths and suggestions for conceiving a girl. But a new research published in the journal Nature 2016, suggests the sex of your baby may have little to do with your diet and pre-sex rituals and more to do with an ancient virus. A Yale University-led study found that the sex of babies may be determined by modification of a virus that inserted itself into the X chromosomes of mammalian genes some 1.5 million years ago. The way the early embryo deactivates this ancient viral gene could influence the sex of the organism. The epigenetic marker of the viral gene is a methyl bond added to adenine, one of the building blocks that form DNA base pairs, which can silence genes. Researchers found that if the level of this marker is normal, X chromosomes remain active, and females and males will have an equal ratio of being born. If this marker is overrepresented, X chromosomes will be silenced, and males will be born twice as often as females. It is unknown why this ancient viral gene determines sex ratios. The researchers found that the virus that influences sex ratios is relatively recent, in evolutionary terms, and is enriched on the X chromosome. Basically, these viruses appear to allow the mammalian genome to continuously evolve. But they can also bring instability. Andrew Zhou is the senior author of the study. Aside from the embryo, the only other places people have found this virus active is in tumors and neurons. Remnants of ancient viruses make up more than 40% of the human genome. In most cases, these remains are inactive. But sometimes they can interfere with development or health. What's more, Zhou believes that, aside from helping to determine the sex of offspring, this mechanism could be used to suppress cancer, since the ancient viral gene could be helping tumors grow. Interestingly, researchers said that in other organisms, such as the nematode C. elegans and the fruit fly Drosophila, this mechanism plays an entirely opposite role and activates genes rather than suppresses them. Evolution often uses the same piece but for different purposes, and that appears to be the case here. Thank you.